Sono YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this VGR V276. Got a 2500 milliamp battery. You can use also cord or cordless. Okay, just one color, I guess. Yeah, just one color. Got 3 hours charging time and 250 minutes operating time. Got 6 guide combs, little brush, cable, and blade protection. So that's it. Yeah. This is the guide combs. Okay, little brush, charging cable, and the manual. Okay. So now, this is the clipper. Okay, it's a clicky lever, the power button, charging port, the LCD display, and got taper blade. Got a taper blade. Okay. I'm not gonna make a tear down because it's not mine. Okay. I saw this type of blade before once. I guess it was Hardtaker. I can't remember. It's really long time ago. And it was a good blade, And got a thin cutter blade. See that? Got a thin cutter blade. And the VGR logo. And how many click lever? I guess 4, because this type is always 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 clicking lever. Which is good. Yes. Well, some people prefer 5 clicking lever, But this type of clippers, I don't know why they always make it a 4 clicking lever. And it's a metal. It's a little bit heavier. Not that heavy, but it's heavy, So let's make an RPM test. And this is a lever open. Lever closed. Okay. So I really like this design, It's really good. It's not slippery at all, which is good. Okay, it's a strong one. See this? Got hollow. See that? Okay. So that's it, guys, and peace.